Hello friends, today's video it's very informative and it's about protein bread. I want you to stop buying expensive protein bread. Some people prepare protein bread from almond flour, coconut flour or other flour, but those are very expensive. Today I'm going to share with you my personal experience and I'm going to challenge you. It has an unbeatable taste. It's a flat bread and it is really very fast to prepare. Follow me to the kitchen. I prepare my protein low carbs bread from chickpeas, but not this chickpeas. I have another type of chickpeas. It's black chickpeas and they are low in carbohydrate, and I'm going to tell you about all the nutritional facts and the benefits which you can get it from this type of chickpeas. Friends, I'm going to take 1 minute from your time to tell you about the advantages of the black chickpeas. The black chickpeas, it is high in proteins. And first I would like to show you how it looks like in nature. If we'll take the black chickpeas comparing to the white chickpeas, it's a smaller in size. So this is how the black chickpeas looks like. The black chickpeas is high in proteins, big bundle of vitamins. It has good concentrations of B complex, specifically B6, vitamin C, folate. Besides, it has numerous number of minerals which you cannot get from different legumes or vegetables, like manganese, phosphorus, iron, copper, selenium. Black chickpeas stimulate your immune system, which you needed these days. It regulates your diabetic status if you are a diabetes patient, enhance your skin and enhance your hair and nails health. It's very good antioxidant and tasty. Dear friends, you need for your flatbread soaked chickpeas. I soak it for more than 30 hours. You need 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk. The flax seeds I grounded, so I did my own flour flax seeds. Baking powder to add it on the top of your bread. Like I have the roasted sesames, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds. I'm going to use now 1 cup of soaked black chickpeas. So place 1 cup of soaked chickpeas in your food processor and take 1 tablespoon of the flax seeds flour. We can take even more, like 1.5. We are going to add a bit of salt, a dash of Cummins, so I'm giving the bread tasty flavor, 1 full cup of hot water, boiled water. I'm going to process it till we get a very soft batter. I open to check if the chickpeas already crashed. Yes, it's perfect. And I'm going to add half teaspoon of baking powder, the 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk. I open to check on my batter. As you see, it's getting thicker, but it is not thick enough. I believe I need to add a half tablespoon additional of psyllium husk. And I can continue to process it maybe for 1 minute more. My batter has reached the desired consistency. As you see, it's firm, but it's sticky. I'm going to leave the batter to rest for 10-15 minutes. It's time to start baking now. So I have prepared here olive oil with my brush, and this is the parchment sheet, but To take further precautions, I'm going really to butter it with olive oil. Then I'll take like full spoon. After already I use the olive oil so it will not stick to my hand. You can roll it. Put it in the middle of the baking sheet. And then you can press it to make it like a patty. I will apply also olive oil on the other sheet. You top it on the patty. So your patty now, the dough, it's between two sheets. And I have vessels, I have like the Pyrex. You can see now the bread, it's in the middle of the bottom of the Pyrex kettle. Just you apply even pressure from both sides, and by that you can form a round perfect pita. Once it's formed, you can remove the baking sheet as you see. On the preheated pan, just spray it a little bit also. So this is my first pita. Just make sure that all edges pita has touched the pan before you will remove the baking sheet. You can remove the baking sheet. If the dough sticks to the baking sheet, you can remove it with the spatula. Just try to release the edges. You see the edges here, it's getting released very easy. And I'm going to flip the pita. Wow, look at that. I'm going to flip it to the other side. Oh, look at that, it's perfect. So to bake one pita takes 2 to 3 minutes. So this pita is ready. Second one, it's done. And slowly I'm going to use the baking sheet. My pitas are getting ready. This is the third one. And usually I bake my pita on the weekend, so it will be enough for the entire week. That's the third pita. Friends, our batter yield 9 pitas, medium size, and they are very soft, delicious, as you see. These pitas are ready to be used in your daily food like pitas, wraps, or your spreads. Dear friends, if you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel.